Hi, my name is Dr. Ahmed Al-Falasi. I am teaching the Principles of Financial Management at the University of Dubai. And today's session was very particular in terms of the interest and the material that has been provided to our students. This opportunity is highly appreciated because it does teach the students all about their personal finances and whatever would be required in their life on the personal scale. Ms. Merlin has done a great job, and we really appreciate Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this session. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Al-Murashid. I want to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this class. I found it very beneficial because growing up as a Marathi, you don't learn a lot of these things, and I would recommend for other people to take this class.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Omar Al-Hamid. I thank Dubai Islamic Bank for this lesson, and I recommend all students to have such a lesson like this, and thank you.
Hi, my name is Ali Najib Al Yusuf. I'm a University of Dubai student, and I've really enjoyed the lecture about the credit score, and I'd love every student to know about the concept of Dubai Islamic Bank represented. Thank you very much.